Hi, good morning children. I am Mehul sir. As you all know, I am teaching you English. We have completed Unit 1. Now we will start Unit 2. That is the poem. The name of the poem is Bird Talk. Okay, before starting the poem, I want to ask you few questions. Can the bird talk? Maybe they can talk, but we cannot understand their language. Here in the poem there are two birds. They are talking to each other, and what they are talking we will learn in this poem. Okay, now first of all let's see. Okay, in the picture you can see there are two birds. One of them is Robin and one is Jay. They are sitting on the two different trees on the opposite side, and they are talking to each other about human beings, about the people like us. First of all, I will recite the poem. Bird talk. Think, said the robin, think, said the jay, sitting in the garden talking one day. Think about people, the way they grow. They don't have feathers at all, you know. They don't eat beetles, they don't grow wings, they don't like sitting on wires and things. Think, said the robin, think, said the jay, aren't people funny to be that way? Okay, here in the poem we have seen that they are talking about the people. They are telling that the people are very funny because they find us different from them. The birds, if we talk about the birds and our people like us, human beings, there are many differences between us. They have wings, they can fly. Okay, they are having different colors, but we human beings, we all are same, and we can walk on the land only, we cannot fly. So these are some of the differences. That is why they are finding us very funny. Now I will explain the whole poem. Okay, here you can see two different birds. The first one is robin and the second one is jay. Okay, here the jay is normally similar to the crow and it talks a lot. बहुत बोलता है ये jay. Okay, now here, think, said the robin, think, said the jay, sitting in the garden, talking one day. Here, the robin and jay, they both are sitting in the garden one day, and they are talking to each other. Now, we will see what they are talking. Okay, think about people. They are telling that just think. Think means sochna. Think about the people, the way they grow. Grow means डेवलप होना या हमारा वृद्धि या विकास होना. एज यू कैन सी इन द पिक्चर व्हेन द चाइल्ड इज वेरी स्मॉल, आफ्टर दैट it grow and became a, you can say, boy. After some time it become a man. Okay, this is the way we grow with the people. So they are telling that the humans, they don't have feathers at all. उनके पास पंख नहीं है, but the birds, they have feathers. They can fly in the sky. Okay, now they don't have feathers and at all, you know. So they are talking about us like this. Now next, here you can see in the picture there is a bird, and the bird is eating insects, you can say, or beetles. Okay, now they don't eat beetles, they don't grow wings, they don't like sitting on wires and things. So here they don't eat beetles means, you can see here, these are beetles, small insects. Okay, so can we eat that beetles? हम लोग क्या ये खा सकते हैं क्या? No, as a human we cannot eat them, but these birds, they can eat these beetles. So they are telling that they don't eat beetles, they don't grow wings. Here you can see there is a man with wings, but it is just imagination. In reality we don't have wings, we cannot fly in the sky. So they don't like sitting on wires and things. In this picture also you can see there are some birds, they are sitting on the wires. But can we sit on wires or different things? No. Okay, so they are finding us very different from them. उनको लगता है कि इंसान कितने अजीब है, हमारे से कितने अलग है. Next. Now, think said the robin, think said the jay, aren't people funny to be that way? तो ये जो लोग हैं वो जैसे हैं, जैसे हम लोग हैं, वो देख के उनको हंसी आती है कि ये लोग कैसे हैं. They cannot fly, they cannot eat beetles, they cannot sit on wires. So that is why they are, you can say, laughing on us. The birds are laughing on us because we cannot do the things, so many things which they can do. Okay, here is a poem. Okay, now here there are some new words. The first one is beetles. You can see the picture of beetles. It is one kind of insect. Next one is feathers, means punk. Then wires. There may be wires of different kind, electric wires or maybe some other kind of wires. Okay, these are new words. These were new words. Now some question answers. Number 1, name the 2 birds in the poem. Do you remember? Okay, now I will tell you. The 2 birds in the poem were Robin and Jay. Okay. What are the 3 things that people can't do and birds can do? Do you know? Okay, I will tell. The people can't grow wings. It means हमारे पंख नहीं होते हैं. And eat beetles. We cannot eat. Beetles means some insects. And sit on wires. We cannot sit on wires. So these are the things which we cannot do, but birds can do easily. Number 3, what do birds think of people? We have learned in the poem what the birds are thinking about us. Birds think people are very funny. उनको ऐसा लगता है कि people कितने, ये लोग कितने अजीब है. Next. Okay, number 4, here you have to imagine what 2 elephants. Here in the picture you can see 2 elephants. As we have seen in the poem, there are 2 birds and they are talking about us. Now here there are 2 elephants. Now you have to say what they will or they are talking about us. Okay, here the first question. A, what people look like? The first elephant said, look at that man's nose. The most prominent difference between the animal, elephant and us is, the people is that they have trunk and we have very small nose instead of trunk. Do you know that the trunk is nose of the elephant? So here the first elephant said that, look at that man's nose. And the second elephant said that, see how small it is, because they are having very long nose and it's called trunk. Elephant का nose है, उसको क्या बोलते हैं? Trunk. Okay, and we are having very small nose. So that is the first difference they found. Next, number B, what they eat? वो लोग क्या खाते हैं? Elephant 1 said, do you know what they eat? Second elephant said, I don't know. It's strange. They don't eat grass and bamboo. Elephants can eat grass. They can even eat bamboos, soft bamboos. So, can we eat that? No, we cannot eat that. Now, how they walk? Walking is also very different because elephants and most of the animals, they can walk on their 4 legs. They are having 4 legs and we are having only 2 legs. So that is the main difference. First elephant said, look how those men is walking. Second elephant said, yes, they can't walk on 4 legs. Okay, next. Number 5, let's find two things which you can do and the birds cannot do. Tell in the class. Now you have to tell the things which we can do but birds cannot do. Earlier we have seen the things which birds can do but we cannot do. Now it's turn to tell about us. Number 1, we can read books and write but birds can't. Then number 2, we can drive cars and scooters but birds can't. Then we can cook food but birds can't. So these are some of the things. There are many more things which we can write. So birds can't read, they can't write, they can't drive car, they can't drive scooter, they can't cook. So these are some of the things which birds can't do but we can do. Now number 6, listen to the sounds of birds. Make a list of these words. Here for example they have given sound chirp chirp chirp. This is the sound of sparrow. Okay, now here one more sound is there, coo coo coo, that is the sound of quail. Then ka ka ka, this is the sound of crow. Then piao piao, this is the sound of peacock. Then woo woo, this is the sound of pigeon. So these are sound of some of the birds. You can add some more sounds also if you know. Now number 7, you have to write 4 sentences on birds using the following words given in the bracket. The words are nest, water, chirp, fly, sky and wings. So we have to use these words and write down some sentences on the birds. Now answer number 1. Sentence number 1. Birds make their nest on the trees, between the stones or in old house. So here we have written that where do birds live? Normally they live on the trees. Sometimes they make their nest on between the stones or in old house. Then number 2, birds have wings to fly in the sky. So we all know that birds have wings and they can fly. Now birds, number 3, birds make sounds like chirp chirp and many more. Okay, they cannot talk but they can make some sounds, or maybe they have their own language. Birds की अपनी language भी हो सकती है but we don't know that language. Number 4, birds drink water with their beak. वो अपनी चोंच से पानी भी पीते हैं और खाना भी खाते हैं. Birds eat grains and small insects. वो दाने भी खाते हैं और छोटे छोटे कीड़े मकोड़े भी खाते हैं. Number 6, birds are of different colors. Birds के अलग अलग कलर होते हैं. Okay. Number 7, some birds live in or near water. Birds like, you can say duck and some more birds, they are living near the water or in water. Okay. Next. Number 8, write words that rhyme with the words given below. You have to write down rhyming words for the given words. The first one is grow. For that, rhyming words are no, throw, day, away, say, think, ink, pink, funny, bunny, money, eat, greet, meet, sing, wing, king. So these are all rhyming words. Now number 9, write the sounds made by these animals. Okay, different animals, they have different sounds. Now you have to write down sounds of different animals. Here, dogs. The sound of dogs is called bark. You can say barking. Cats sound is known as mew, meow, meow. Then donkeys bray. Then snakes hiss. Then pigs grunt. Then birds chirp. then rats squeak, then elephant's sound is called trumpet. Okay, next you have to give plurals of the following words. The first one is feather and its plural is feathers. Beetle, plural is beetles. Wing, wings. Mother, mothers. Tear, tears. Arm, arms. Sparrow, sparrows. Window, windows. So these are all rhyming words. Now at last it's your homework. Children, don't forget to write down these all classwork from question answer to that rhyming words and singular and plurals. Everything you have to write down in your notebook as your classwork, and this is your homework. Okay, now I will explain what to do in your homework. Number 1, write poem bird talk in your copy. You have to write down poem bird talk. That is very simple. Now you have to paste picture of different kind of birds, and you have to also write down their names. So your homework is very simple. Don't forget to write down your all the classwork and homework. Today we have completed this poem bird talk, and before that also we have completed one poem and one lesson. Okay, bye.